Welcome aboard this flight. Please help us make your journey a safe one by sparing a few minutes to watch this safety demonstration.
The information that we are about to show you can also be found on the cabin safety cards, which are located in the seat pockets in front of you. Please take a moment to read and review the procedures on this card once the safety demonstration is over. Seatbelts should always be fastened whenever the Fasten Seatbelt sign is illuminated. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat end of the clasp into the buckle and pull the strap to tighten. To unfasten, lift the flap and pull away. Your compliance with all illuminated signs, posted placards, and instructions issued by cabin crew is required. Please be advised that portable electronic devices should be turned off during takeoff and landing. Cellular phones should remain switched off throughout the flight. The air pressure in the cabin is controlled for your comfort. Should the cabin pressure change, oxygen masks will appear automatically from the seat back or bulkhead compartment in front of you, or from the compartment overhead. Quickly reach for the oxygen mask and pull it firmly towards you. This action starts the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, securing it with the elastic band. It is normal for the plastic breather bag to not inflate fully. Please secure your own mask first before assisting others. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft, 4 on the left and 4 on the right. Please take a moment to locate the exits nearest to you, and remember, these may be behind you. Slide rafts are located at every door. They can be detached from the aircraft and used as rafts in the event of a water landing. Life vests are located in a pouch under your seat or in a compartment between your seats. When advised by the cabin crew, remove the vest from its bag and pull it over your head. Wrap the long strap around your waist and attach the buckle to the fitting in the front. Pull the strap to tighten. Please do not inflate the vests while inside the aircraft. Once outside the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling sharply on the red tabs in front, or by blowing into the red tubes at the top. We ask you now to assist us in preparing the cabin for departure. Please ensure that your carry-ons are properly stowed. The service tray and footrests are folded away. Your seat back is in its full upright position, and that your seatbelt is securely fastened.
Thank you for your attention and for choosing to fly with us today.
Someone's always playing corporate